Now that we know about this equals to operator or equality operator, today we will be looking into the strict equality operator, which is a triple equals to operator. So this triple equals to or strict equality operator is used to compare the value of two different operands as well as type of operands. So it will not only compare the value but also consider the type of that value. So let's just see what we can do with this. So first example is pretty straightforward. We are comparing two same numbers with this triple equals to sign, and it will return us the boolean value. So let's just run this program, and we are inside comparison. So yeah, as you can see, it is giving me true because 1 is equals to 1, right? Next we'll see string 1 here. One side has a number 1 inside this quotes marks, that is this value is string, and in the right side it is only number. So if you see a value of these two operands are same, which is 1, but type of these two operands are different. One is string and another is a number. So let's just see the output of this. So as we can see, it is giving me false, but I'll show the difference between strict equality and only equality operator. So let's just see the double equals to what it will give me. So both are returning me true. And if you go back to the strict equality, it will show you. Let me comment this, and let's just run again. So yeah, it will give you false value. So it is very helpful when comparing the type of the variable or data. So we can compare the type by using this triple equals to or strict equality operator. Let's just see another example here, which is nothing but this string comparison. So here we are comparing the same string with triple equals to sign. So let's just run this program. Yeah, so it is giving me true as both sides have the same value and a type is also the same. Also, I'll show one more thing here. 0 is compared to false. Let's just see what happens here. So just run this. It is giving me false as this is considered as a falsy value, but it is not false, and its type is number, and this side we have false. Let me just remove 1 equal to and you will understand what is the difference here. So it is giving me true. So this double equals to is only checking the value whether this is falsy or not. This is already false, and 0 is considered as a falsy value in JavaScript, and this is only considering the value of two operands, not the type. But as soon as you add the one more equals to sign, it will change its comparison. That's all for today, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.